everyone. I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Thank you for joining me out in the garden today. Today's topic is nasturtiums, and I want to share with you a few of the reasons why I love this beautiful little flower. So first of all, I have to say it's extremely easy to grow. So we've started this patch here from seed. And so it's direct sow right after danger of frost. So the seed's right in the ground, and look at how lush they are. We're at the end of summer here and we're still enjoying them. So very easy to grow, fun for kids too because of that. Pretty easy to care for. I will say that they don't like it really hot, so you'll notice when it's hot in the summertime they'll be a little droopy, and then they bounce back a little bit at the end of the summer and fall. So I do love that about them. Two is they come in lots of different colors and varieties. So this here is called a jewel mix, and you'll see all these really rich jewel tones of the flowers here, and it is a solid green leaf, but they come in apricots. There's one peach melba that's a beautiful nasturtium. They have an Alaskan mix, which is different color flowers and variegated leaves, hot pinks, creams, yellows, golds, so really great varieties. The third reason is if you plant them with your vegetables, they will actually repel aphids, whitefly, squash bug, so you can use them as a companion plant in your vegetable garden. And then another great option for planting, fourth favorite reason, is they're very versatile. So they do spill a little bit, so they're great in containers. We love to use them in the front of the gardens. Some of them will climb. There's some different varieties, so you could use them with a trellis in the garden or containers. Just a beautiful little versatile plant that you could use in your flower garden towards the front, or like I said, in your vegetable garden. And then the last but not least reason why I love this little plant is they are edible. So much fun to use in salads or as a garnish on summer desserts or cheese trays. So I'm actually going to bring you in the kitchen after, and I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful salad with them. The flowers and the leaves are edible, and they have a really nice peppery taste. So there's a little bite to them, a little spicy, which is really a lot of fun. So thanks for joining me for the first part, and hopefully you'll join me in the kitchen. Hi everyone. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen with our edible flowers today. I love garden to table, and what's better than free food? And so today we're talking about not just vegetables, but we're featuring our nasturtiums because they are edible, all parts of the plant. So I just want to walk you through what I'm doing today. I'm really just making a very simple salad. It's the end of the season, and I've done some succession planting out in the garden. So I'm just trying to use up what I've got out there. So what I have, and I've already pre-made my salad, it's just a very basic salad using my red and green leaf lettuce, my radishes, which you can direct sow the seed in the fall. Again, they love it cooler, and they're a pretty quick growing vegetable. My very last cucumber of the year, and my tomato plants, the cherry tomatoes, are still cranking out some cherry tomatoes, so I've picked some of those as well. So like I said, very simple salad. If you're making this salad and it's summertime, you probably have some different things you can harvest from your garden, or there's some really great farmers markets, and I love supporting local farm stands and farms at the farmers market. So my point of doing this is that really what you can do with your nasturtiums is really elevate a very simple salad. I am just using the flowers, and I do love all the colors in this mix, which I've shown you earlier in the video right out in the garden. Love the different colors. So they're elevating the salad not just with their beauty, really pretty, but they are also elevating the salad flavor-wise because they do have that peppery, zesty taste that's going to add to the salad. So all parts are edible. You're welcome to go ahead and use your leaves as well. I just find that they have a very green taste, so I'm really interested in just the flower. So I've already mixed my salad and tossed it, washed it, chopped it, all that jazz. But what I like to do is put it in a wider, shallow dish because I really like to see all of the flowers. And if I just have it in a bowl, I don't get to see as many flowers scattered on the top. I do love all the colors. Another nice addition would be some radicchio, just to get that burgundy red in here. Okay, so here. And you have the option of using the whole flower, or you can break off the petals and separate them. So I did also record myself washing the flowers, and I want to say that they are a little bit delicate. I have tried putting them right in the salad spinner, and what happens is they get all dented up and marked up, and they just don't look as pretty. So you have to be really gentle when you're washing them. So just a rinse or dunking them in some cool water and then drying them like I've laid them out here on paper towels is even better. So when you're growing your edible flowers, I grow most of mine right in the garden, but you want to make sure that you're not using any chemicals or pesticides, and then your quick rinsing is fine. But you can see how beautiful they are, all the different colors here. And then we can just scatter some petals here. Because they have a peppery taste to them, we like to just use a vinaigrette. A lemon vinaigrette would be really great because, as you know, lemon and pepper really complement each other. Or just a balsamic vinaigrette. Sometimes I'll chop a lemon in half and just grill it, and we'll just use that on our salad. I like to keep it simple. Want some more flowers here. Can never have enough flowers, so. So beautiful, really elevates the salad, this very basic salad. So we're probably gonna just add some fish or chicken on this. One time we did a lemon pepper swordfish, and that was a complete meal for us. It was really great. But there are some other options for your nasturtiums. They would be great with some soft cheeses. A charcuterie board would be really beautiful. They look really great as a garnish. And I've also heard about people using them in their pasta dishes. So you can go ahead and get creative, but I just thought I'd bring to you what I'm doing with my nasturtiums, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And thank you for joining us. We really love having you here in the garden and in the kitchen. And please like the video if you enjoyed it, or of course subscribe to our channel for some future gardening fun.